Gusto mo bang rumampa sa premiere night ng bagong A24 horror movie? Samahan niyo akong manood muna tayo ng trailer ng Mother Mary at sasabihin ko kung paano kayo mananalo. Mother Mary ang title nito, mga baddies.
I haven't seen her in over 10
Uy,
years.
may parang... Ano ba
But I
yun?
could tell she was coming from 1,000 miles away.
Oh,
Why don't you start with why you're here?
ganda ni Anne.
Parang Lady Gaga.
I need a dress.
Concert.
So,
Nag-K-pop Demon Hunters yung dating.
I didn't know where else to go.
Pero parang, ayan o, may mga cult
tell me, what do you see in your head?
Me.
Oh, yes, I remember. This is all about you. What song are you singing?
I'll play it for you if you want.
Parang ano siya, no, big star.
Of not listening to your music.
Hindi kaya Deal with the Devil to. Parang dark. Devil Wears Prada.
Oh, you did.
You can't really hate me.
Oh, yes, I can.
Is that what we're doing here? You're making me
Ah,
hate
okay.
this.
So, yung friend niya yung gumagawa ng mga damit niya.
You'll see.
Kaya parang may haring witchcraft.
We have a connection. And I can't explain it.
You think there's something inside of you?
Pero ang weird, bakit may mga...
Let's
Ayun.
cast her
Sa A24 weird talaga eh. Pero maganda.
together.
I don't like this.
That's what you really wanted. You went somewhere I couldn't follow.
Parang may ritual eh.
Mother Mary.
Creepy, no? Parang,
Reinventing you.
ano sila? Parang, hindi ko alam kung bago ba gawin yung dress. Kailangan may...
There may
Ritual
only be
silang
one of us left
ginagawa.
standing when this is over.
Parang ganun.
I know.
So ano masasabi mo si...
Ang ganda nito kasi parang dark and twisted siya eh. Kasi may mga kulto, tapos parang rituals na pinakita sa trailer. And honestly, isa sa pinaka-inaabangan ko talaga yung costumes ni Anne. Sobrang ganda, sobrang elaborate.
Kasi this is not a horror film na parang curious ko ano talaga ito. Pero pag E24, alam mo talaga maganda ang pelikula ito at weird. Antayin na lang natin ang showing ito on April 22 nationwide.
Teka, di ba may 5 tickets din tayong ibibigay para sa premiere night?
Oo nga pala, nakalimutan ko. Kasama natin sila sa premiere.
Naman.
Oh, nice.
So all you have to do, buddies, is like, comment, and share this post. And pipiliin namin yung mga winners randomly and will be announced on April 14, Tuesday ng gabi, 8 p.m.
Good night, buddies. Kita-kits sa dream.